The 5 principles I'm about to share will make all of this completely obsolete. For 40 years, we've been trapped in the same digital metaphor: files, folders, and a grid of apps. But what if the entire model is broken? What if the OS didn't just manage your apps, but actively achieved your goals for you? We're not talking about a better Windows or Mac OS. We're talking about a fundamental shift from managing tasks to accomplishing outcomes. I've spent the last 100 hours deconstructing every assumption we have about operating systems, applying jobs to be done and first principles thinking to build a blueprint for the future. In this video, I'm going to give you the 5 core principles that define this post-app world, and the first one starts not with building, but with breaking. Principle number 1 is to deconstruct the app-centric model. For decades, we've been taught to think that the app is the starting point, but the app is just a container. It's a silo. You don't really want to open a calendar app. You want to make sure you're on time and prepared for something important. Using first principles, we have to strip away these artificial containers and get to the real underlying job the user is trying to do. When you do that, you realize the entire app grid is just a clumsy workaround for what we really want: outcomes. Which brings us to principle number 2, elevate from tasks to outcomes. This is the core idea of jobs to be done. On the left, you see somebody performing tasks. On the right, you see someone achieving an outcome. The old world forces you to be the integrator, to juggle all these different tools. The new world understands your actual job to be done isn't to book a flight, it's to have a great stress-free vacation. An outcome-driven OS focuses on the goal, not the grueling steps to get there. So how do we get there? That's principle number 3. Raise the level of abstraction. Every huge leap in computing has done this. It hides complexity. The command line was complex. The GUI was simpler, but still forced you to learn procedures: clicking, dragging, managing windows. The next level of abstraction removes the procedure entirely. You state your intent, your goal, and the system handles the how. Your cognitive load plummets because you're no longer managing the machine. This leads to the engine that runs it all. Principle number 4, orchestrate with agentic layers. This isn't one giant AI, it's a team of specialists. You state your goal to the intent layer. A master agent breaks it down and delegates tasks to the specialist, like a travel agent or a calendar agent. Those agents then use the tools, APIs, and services in the execution layer to get the job done. It's a powerful modular system designed to translate any goal into a finished outcome. Finally, and this is the key to making it all work, principle number 5 is to redefine success as goal attainment. The old model runs on your attention. It's designed to keep you scrolling and clicking. That business model is fundamentally at odds with what you want, which is to get things done efficiently. An outcome-driven OS has to run on a new model. Success isn't engagement, it's achievement. The key metric is no longer time spent, but goals completed. When the system is aligned with your success, the entire digital world starts working for you, not against you. So, those are the 5 principles. Deconstruct the app, focus on outcomes, raise the abstraction, orchestrate with agents, and measure what actually matters: goal attainment. This isn't science fiction. It's the logical endpoint of true user-centric design. It's a future where our technology finally gets out of the way. But this was just a high-level strategy. If you want to go way deeper into the frameworks, the business models, and the step-by-step deconstruction process, I've written a massive deep dive on my Substack. The link is right there in the description or in one of the comments below. It's the perfect companion to this video. Thanks for watching.